Hi guys, in today's episode, we're gonna look at a $1.5 million home here in Waco. Yes, you heard that right. A lot of people sometimes think that we don't have that high prices or big homes in Waco because it's a small town. But let me show you what we got. And this home is actually located in McGregor. Before we do that, subscribe to my channel, share and like, and share it with the whole world, please. Thank you guys for the new subscribers from last week. I really appreciate all the support. All right, so we're gonna dive in at Zillow, and this is something that you guys can look up. It's public information. This home is located in McGregor, like I said, and it's a $1.5 million home. 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, almost 5,000 square feet. So if you guys looking for a big home, this is the one. So I'm gonna do a screen share and I'm just gonna walk through and just do a reaction. This is the first time I'm gonna do a full walkthrough with you guys. And so I'm gonna be just a surprise. So we're gonna go on Zillow and check out this 3D tour. I like the 3D tours for these kind of homes because you get a full sense of the home. And I just want to show you guys, that way you guys can go on Zillow yourselves and check out these new tours that they do, 3D virtual tours. So here we have the living room. It looks pretty nice. I like the hardwood floors right next to the home office. Look at those ceilings and that chandelier. I mean, that's like a modern look. I really like it. All right, we're gonna go to the hallway. This house is actually 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and about almost 5,000 square feet. So we're gonna go through the hallway, just keep going. Looks like you can put some artwork over here. And over here we have the primary bedroom. So I'm guessing the master bedroom. And you got a fireplace in your master bedroom. I mean, I don't know about you, but it can get very romantic in there. Looks like this is a backyard, and you have a door going through to your backyard. So nice private exit and entrance. I really want to check out the restroom in here. Bathroom, okay. Wow, looks like you can have your own little paradise in here. So you have your own little closet. Looks like a walk-in closet. Oh wow, that's a big one. Primary closet. Looks like a his and hers closet. That's very, very big. I like that. So you got 2 walk-in closets in here, his and hers. So no fighting. You got a walk-in shower. Pretty nice. I like all the stone work they did on this. I always love stone work. So we're going over here. I don't think it's letting me go a little bit forward, but you can see you have a bathtub. There's actually 2 his and hers sinks. All right, let's go to the next room. And you have the dining room. We love hosting people at our home, so this is a nice dining room. Right next to the kitchen. Nice island over here. I really like the gold copperish look of the hardware. You got a lot of space over here. Let me see the kitchen. So it's connected to the living room. You have a nice, like a breakfast nook overlooking the patio. And you have a walk-in pantry, so with its own sink, another microwave. That's very fancy. So you have a walk-in pantry. Looks like you have an extra kitchen back there. So this is a breakfast nook with the family room. So we have another fireplace. I'm getting vibes of this home. I mean, you're gonna be very, very comfortable in this home with a bunch of fireplaces everywhere in your master bedroom, in your living room. We got another hallway. So this is on the other side of the house. You have another office. Wow. So we have a office when you walk in. So maybe that'll be something that you just use temporary just to meet people or just do office work by the front door. Nah, this one looks more like where you can have meetings, even want to turn it into a man cave. Be working hard from work. I think I would choose this place to work from home. All right, let's go back to the hallway. You have another bedroom over here, which is nice. You got a nice decent room. It has its own restroom in the house. Bathtub, looks like another walk-in shower. Look at that chandelier. You have a chandelier in the guest room. So we got the living room, family room, your kitchen, open concept. Oh, we have a mud room. I didn't see the mud room. All right, so the mud room, you can hang your coats. I'm guessing you're coming from the garage in here, and then the laundry room. Whoa, look at this laundry room. I think I saw a fridge in here too. So you have an extra fridge in your laundry room. Look at those washer and dryer, very nice. And look at down here, you can keep your pets safe, out of the way. If you have guests coming over, unless you're like us, they have their own room as well. So it's a nice place. I like this blue. It's like a dark navy blue. All right, so we're going back out to the hallway. I believe there were some stairs over here. All right, so stairs, nice little stairways. All right, so the first bedroom we have nice decent rooms, pretty big, has its own walk-in shower. Okay, so you have your own restroom in this bedroom. Looks like they used it for a gym. You got another hallway. Oh, look at this. This is cool. So you can overlook who's coming in and who's in your living room. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go through the hallway and let's see this bedroom. You have pretty big bedrooms over here. All right, so this looks like you have your own sinks on both sides, but you share a restroom. So that's pretty cool. For kids, I'm imagining if you have kids, if you have a couple kids, they can be right next to each other. And of course, when you need your private space, just close the doors. All right, so let's go to the other restroom. So same thing, bedroom. I like these high ceilings everywhere throughout the house. It really adds like a modern look to the house. All right, so there's two. So that's 1, 2, 3 bedrooms upstairs. This home does come with a pool, and look at that view. That'll be a nice sunset in summer. So we're gonna take a look at the pictures. So we did the 3D walkthrough, and I just want to show you the pictures. That way you guys have a full view of the house. And look at this modern look. I really like this stonework. It reminds me of California. A lot of homes are made of stone bricks over there. And that stairway entrance. Look at that office. I really like that office look when you're walking through the front door. It just makes you feel like you're very productive with that glass door as well. You have the kitchen, you have the sink, that walk-in pantry. So this looks probably, it's just like a guest restroom. And you have your other office, which is pretty nice. So you got a small one to work with. You have 2 offices to work with, and the master bedroom. Look at that master bedroom with the restroom. So remember, I did tell you there's 2 sinks in the restroom with that walk-in closet. Very organized, very nice. Have a lot of room for shoes, your clothes. And there's 2 walk-in closets in the master bedroom. So this was the mud room. I'm thinking this might be the shower of the mud room. Maybe that's why it has the door. So this is the balcony on the 2nd floor. We couldn't see that in the 3D tour, but you can see it over here in the pictures. Let me zoom in a little bit. That's a big garage as well. Looks like you can fit about 3 cars in that garage. Yep, 1, 2, 3. You have a shed here in the back. And look at that back view. You can do a fire pit over here. You got your patio over here. I really like that layout look. And you have the pool. Looks like you can probably dive in. And a little jacuzzi. You got a nice big backyard. Look at this picture. How it would look in the night. So like I said, this house is 1.5 million. It's actually 1,575,000 with almost 5,000 square feet. So if you guys looking for a home, this has actually been in the market just 4 days since of this recording. It looks like about 30 people have saved it on Zillow. Thank you guys for doing this tour. I just wanted to show you guys what we have to offer here in Waco. There's homes that are over $1 million. This is more video of like a wow factor where they're not just homes where they're 250,000, but we have different ranges, price ranges to meet your budget. Or if you have no budget at all, you can buy this home. So if you guys need a realtor, my name is Enoch Coronado from the Coronado Realty Group. I'll be glad to help you. If you guys are out of town looking to relocate, I can help you as well here in Waco or McGregor, where this home is at. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.